Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Fujifilm Dri-Chemistry Slide UAP3. As you can see, this is the front view of it. You can find the code for it 1350, the expiry, and you can see this is a 24 pack made in Japan product. You can find it here. This is an IVDC certified product. Needs to be stored between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. So this is the front view of it. You can see it is manufactured in Tokyo, Germany by Fujifilm Corporations. So this is the front view of it. So let me show you the side of it. It's a very small size pack. It's the Fujifilm. So guys, as you can see, this is the Fujifilm FUJI DRI-CHEM SLIDE UAP3. The code for it is 1350. You can find the expiry address here. It is a 24 pack made in Japan. You can see it's between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. It's an IVDC certified product. So this is about the Fujifilm UAP3. Thank you.